What's good, students? I'm DJ from the Whippin in the Kitchen department, brought to you by Goodman and Teamworks.
What's up, Pro Goodness? It's your favorite team worker from the Brass Works. My name is Tristy. Today we are going to be preparing a meal that you guys are all familiar with, known as
ramen noodles. So some people like their ramen prepared a little differently. You know, some people like more water and some people like less water. Me, I prefer like a perfect amount, not too much water and like too much water. Like some. Anyways, how do you like yours?
I like mine overcooked, but don't judge me, they be smack, like I said. But you do a little ice in there, season, cheese, hot sauce, stir it up, and you eat it like that.
Period. So we're going to catch y'all in the kitchen.
Yes, bitch. Hey, East students, it's us again. We're finally back in the kitchen, and right now, today, we're going to be showing you guys all the ingredients you need to make these special type of ramen we are making. So I'll let you go first.
Alrighty, so we have our green onions here. Very green onions. And then we have our freshly minced garlic, followed by freshly minced ginger. Also followed by our seaweed. Then we have some kosher salt, of course, and then you gotta have your pepper.
Okay. So we're gonna be making our own chicken broth with water and chicken base. And we have boiled eggs, bamboo shoots, corn, soy sauce, sesame oil, and noodles. Just remember, you can use any noodles. It doesn't matter, it's your own preference.
If you don't already have the garlic mince, here are the steps to get to the end point. First step is to separate the cloves from the garlic, and the second step is to press the knife firmly on the garlic so it can be easier for the peeling. And then after peeling, you mince the garlic into small chunks. So now you're going to peel the ginger, chop it up, and mince it into small pieces.
So I have 2 cups of water right here to pour in it for the
Chicken broth.
Yeah. So I'm gonna turn it on. I think medium heat is pretty fine. So I'm gonna begin to pour it in.
And we're gonna sit there and let that get to a nice little boil there.
We're going to add our chicken broth, but we'll see you when that starts to boil.
Alrighty guys, so we're gonna get our chicken broth started. The water is boiling, and we're gonna
use 8 teaspoons of chicken base to make our chicken broth. So I'm gonna show y'all. So come along on our journey. So this is 1. So now guys, we put the chicken base in and it has brought to a boil. We ordered everything that we need to do. So now we're gonna move on to our ramen. So how much do I need, DJ?
Alrighty, so it looks here that you need about 12 ounces of dry ramen noodles. So go ahead and add that.
Okay, that's 1. Okay.
Alrighty, followed by our minced garlic.
How much?
And you need about 1 tablespoon.
Tablespoon?
Tablespoon.
Okay, that's 1.
Alrighty, and then it's going to be followed by 1 tablespoon of freshly minced ginger.
Ooh, ginger. That's another one.
Alrighty, and then you're gonna be followed by 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce.
Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3.
Alrighty, nice and easy. I like that. I like that.
Here.
Alrighty, and then it is going to be 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
Okay. This is 1 teaspoon.
Alrighty, and then last but not least, followed by 2
Butter.
tablespoons of butter.
So just 2.
Alrighty. And lastly, you're just going to follow that behind some freshly ground pepper.
At your own comfort. Add how much you want.
Alrighty, and lastly, some kosher salt.
It's salt now. You gotta have flavor. You know, I don't know. Maybe even 2. You begin to stir your noodles for 5 to 10 seconds. Ready? Welcome back, students. So right now the noodles have been cooking for 5 minutes straight. We added everything we need to do. So I'm gonna give it a quick stir, and then we're just going to start plating. As you guys can see, they are done. So I'll see you guys when we start plating.
Alrighty, students, we are finally at our final part. So now we're going to be plating and preparing our food. So this is how Tristy makes her ramen.
So I'm gonna add some noodles to my bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce to it.
And I'm going to do the same thing as well. Alrighty, and then now we're gonna add some toppings. For me, I'm just gonna do some green onion,
I'm gonna add a little bit of corn.
and then seaweed, of course.
I'm gonna do green onion now.
And then I'll do some corn.
I'm gonna add some seaweed to mine.
And that'll be it.
I'm gonna add a bowl there. It gotta be different. And that's how you guys do it.
Alrighty, guys, come in for a finished product. Delicious.
I hope you guys enjoy the meal. Remember to be safe, and we'll see you next time.
What's up? It's DJ from the Whippin in the Kitchen department, and I love to cook lasagna.
Hey guys, it's Tristiana from Whippin in the Kitchen. My favorite food to cook is chicken Alfredo.
Hi, my name is Naiway from the Whippin the Kitchen department, and I like to cook pasta.
My name is Haley, and I like to cook full noodles.